any?
Yes, sir, we did.
And cleaned out the switch points?
Switch points.
Was there any left over? Did you dump any in the siding, or what'd you do?
Yeah, we dumped the load we had on there. We dumped from the hill block east, and it filled up the switches and the siding a little bit. Over.
That was the west end of 2.
The west end of 2, yes.
Stay firm. Thank you, Nate.
While I got you, we sitting at the road crossing. We had some problems today with the trains. It looks like it's not even enough stone to fill up the whole truck, but we're going to try and get some in the truck and go back. Over.
That'd be good. 45 if you can, Nate.
Track CSX 47 Terracotta.
Master Hildebrand to Mr. Mac Williams, over.
CSX Q439-17, West Oakland, Maine. Apex, approach.